Hi guys, as I promised in the last post, just a quick presentation of how Ghost 2 exactly works. We are in a brand new Audi RS6, it's just been fitted with Ghost. Right, so what it basically does is you get in the car, if you don't type the code in, the car just stalls. Depending on the car, there's two options. We can do a gearbox stall, so we can start the car. As soon as I try to engage the gear, it stalls. Now, what you do is put the car in ignition, type the unit code. On this one, as an example, we're using window, passenger window, driver window, and again, you get the confirmation, two indicators. Then you can start the car, engage the gear, and go. So yeah, if you've got any questions, just feel free to text me, call me on WhatsApp. Any questions will be answered. Cheers, bye bye.